Hey guys, so it's Emily here. So I have another package that is from Crystal, Spook Show Babes Design. And I'm super excited to open this up. I ordered some other creepy stuff from her, and I have like a bat from her. I have a zombie bunny. I have a bunny that's in a jack-o'-lantern. I have a baby jack, and a jack that's in a pumpkin. And some couple of jewelry designs too that is from her. So I'm super excited to open this up. As course, like I have a cat shirt on and I have cat tattoos. So like when I saw this item, I'm like, I have to get this like right now. So I'm super excited to open this up. I haven't like got a package from her from a while. Just because you're taking care of bills and other stuff. So I'm so excited that I got something from her, and I love her Etsy, so please check her out at the Spook Show Babe Design. I keep feeling like I'm gonna get it wrong, so you can check her out on Instagram or on Etsy. So yeah, so let's open it up. So I have just the receipt here, not that potent. This is where you can find her at. I'll just show that because it'll make it a little easier on me trying to say it, because I get confused. So let me open this up. So she definitely packaged them really nicely. I feel like I'm being really awkward in this video, so I'm so sorry. So here it is. We got scissors. I hate to cut this ribbon because I really like this ribbon, but it makes it a lot easier. Oh, I was opening from the right way. Ugh, she probably had this all night neat and I didn't even see. So just here's a little thank you card. And then here is her shop card, her business card. And there's a train going through, so sorry if you hear that in the background. So let's undo it. I'm very excited. So like I said, she definitely bubble wraps it really good. So you definitely can make sure that everything is so nice and secure. Like, this is a lot of bubble wrap. You can't even see everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Oh my goodness, this is spooky cute. So here it is. It's a skeleton kitty. This is so cute, and look at the tail. I think that's like the best part is the tail. That is so cute. And then I love how she puts the date too. It says 2020. It says her name, Crystal, made with love. This is so cute. I love it. It is adorable. I love handmade stuff, especially from her, because she does it with a passion. I mean, everyone does stuff with a passion, but for her you can really tell, and it's just like adds just the right touch of spookiness to things. And she makes stuff like a cat, bunnies, zombie bunnies, and just really cool stuff. Like she has a Jason that has heart eyes that's in his max. I have that actually as a necklace, and it's just so cool, the creativity that she does with these things and her art, and it's just very awesome. So please go and support her. I love seeing the stuff that she does. She also is making face masks right now, so if you're in need of a spooky face mask, it's actually for October coming up. So I definitely would go and check her out and see what she has. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it so much. I recently found another Ouija board at a thrift store, so I think I'm gonna put this little cutie next to the new Ouija board that I got. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please check her out. Again, this is her business card. On the back, take a screenshot if you want. But yeah, thank you for watching.